Bonjour, Kinamagi Nene Erlin Indigenikas, and welcome to this production of the My Math Network. Today's episode from Chapter 11, Lesson 6, Estimate and Measure Capacity. Begin by looking at our last session's assignment, where we're converting between ounces and pounds. When you're going from ounces to pounds, you divide by 16, pounds to ounces, multiply by 16. Pounds to tons, divide by 2,000, tons to pounds, multiply by 2,000. You can see the answers there based on that. That's how we kind of did through the entire assignment. For closer inspection, please reach out to me. Today we're going to estimate and measure capacity. Most of it is conversion rates, as we will be using. And you can see there's a vocabulary check as well, and 12 questions. The essential question in this entire chapter is how can I use measurement conversions to solve real-world problems? And just like we've been doing with length and weight, it's going to be the same for capacity. So we're going to be in the book on page 833. And how many cups do you think are in a pint? How many quarts or pints do you think is in a quart? So you could estimate 3 there. Oops. So you're going to get your own estimate in pint there. Your estimate for pint and quart. So how many cups does it take to fill the pint container? And then, so there are blank cups in a pint. And the answer was 2. So we have 2 cups in a pint. And 2 pints make a quart. Think of yourself gallon man. So go ahead and write the 2 and 2 there. Give you just a moment to do that. All right, moving forward. How about the quart container? And I already kind of mentioned this, so it's bounce here. The guess was 4 pints in a quart. The reality, 2. So let's put all 2s again. And just remember, 8 ounces is a cup, 2 cups is a pint, 2 pints is a quart, quarter, 4 goes into a gallon 1 time. So I have those written in. All right, let's now move to the top of the next page where it says try it. Estimate the capacity of a gallon container. How many quarts do you think would go into it? Remember, there's a key thing, quart. We've talked about what that means. Remember, quart is 1/4. So your guess should be related to that. Although they oddly guessed 5. After hearing me and you didn't guess 4, I'd be upset. All right, so let's move forward. We'd measure it out, and the answer is 4. So you can have those 4 in there. It's good to write a chart down here. In fact, let's do that real quick. You might want to write this somewhere. 8 fluid ounces equals a cup. 2 cups equal a pint. 2 pints equal a quart, and quart is 4 equal 1 gallon. So you might want to go ahead and multiply or write that down so that when we do this later, you'll be all set. So I'll give you just a moment. It could be on the side of your paper, it could be in a notebook. It's up to you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to my original share. Let's move forward here. Is the capacity of the gallon container less than or greater than the capacity of a pint? Well, because pints go into gallons, we know the capacity of a gallon is greater. Use the pint container to estimate and measure how many pints are in a gallon. If you remember your ratio, 2 pints equal a quart, 4 pints equal a gallon. 2 times 4 is 8. Let's go ahead and write those numbers in. And we're going to bounce into to some practice here. All right, go ahead and do numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7. Pause video, find your answers, and then unpause when you're ready. Okay, pause video now. Welcome back. Let's see what we got for numbers. 3 pints is 6 cups. 4 gallons is 32 pints. 12 cups is 6 pints. 3 gallons is 12 quarts. Let's bounce down just a wee bit. Go ahead and solve these 4. Pause video and unpause video when you're ready. Let me pause video now. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. 8 pints is greater than 15 cups. 12 cups is less than 8 pints. 4 gallons is greater than 30 pints. 2 quarts equals 8 cups. With the nature of the assignment, if you have it down pat, you should be in good shape. If you have questions, please reach out. At this point, you should return to the homework. To do that, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll be available either via Zoom or in person. Have a minute, get you got Minwa. Bama P.